Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99 again. I forgot. It's Tuesday. We have lunch with our granddaughter over at school. And this is why my channel is family friendly. My fame is spreading in the cafeteria amongst the fifth graders. I had one person last week come up and say, "Are you Crypto Mentor 99? I said, "As a matter of fact, I am." And I had another fifth grader come up to me today and said, "What's the name of your YouTube channel?" I said, "Crypto Mentor 99. That's why it's family friendly. I've got a lot of young people interested in cryptocurrency, and that's why we keep it clean. We keep it clean. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99 Decaf Americano. I hope there's coffee in heaven. Love y'all. Bye-bye.